Now we are going to see the app we use in trading Forex. Okay, the app we use in trading Forex is called the MetaTrader 4 or the MT4, and whatever name you can call it. Okay, so just go to your Google Play Store. Okay, Google Play Store, and then on the search bar you are going to be typing MetaTrader 4 or just type MT4. Okay, it will bring out the app we use. That is the app we use in trading Forex. Let's give it time to load. I'm recording my screen, so this thing is a bit lagging. My phone is really full. Okay, so type into the search bar MT4. So this is MT4. So just, you will see your own, it will stay download all install. Mine needs to be updated. The way I'm saying it now, it needs to be updated. So I can just click update because they're telling me to update my own. So as you can see, I just finished updating mine. So you can just click on open. Okay, you can just click on open, and then you will see it, MetaTrader 4, and then you see the interface. Are you seeing it? I'm on a trade currently. Oh, it's open right now. Okay, I don't want to show you my trade, but as you can see, it's blue, right? So there's profit here. This one I even posted it in the group one certain time. Okay, so we have that. So you now already have this. Next class